What is up guys? May nakita tayong post by the Auto PH. May warranty extension si Toyota. So pag-usapan natin to while nagdi-display tayo sa updated price list natin. Yung bago nating extended warranty, pwede mo yan maklaim basta may 2 PMS ka with Toyota until sa 3 years. So pag magawa mo siya na 6 PMS in total, pwede kang mag-avail sa extension ng up to 5 years. Ibig sabihin, what about less than 6 PMS? So, pag meron kang 5 PMS or 4 PMS sa 3 years span, you are qualified still an extension per 4 years lang. So, 1 year lang yung extension. So, for those na hindi talaga kaya, so, hindi siya ma-extend. This is also only exclusive for releases from 2025 up to present. So, lahat ng units ni Toyota for March 5, 2025 may increase ng 6,000 pesos. Ang hindi lang kasali nito is ang ating Tamaraw lineup. So, as you can see with all the units na ating dinidisplay, may increase siya ng 6,000 pesos. So, what do you guys think? Tamang-tama ba na nag-increase si Toyota ng 6,000 or dapat hindi na sila nag-increase? And what about yung kanilang extension? Dapat ba may ganong qualifier or straight lang na binibigay, walang qualifier? So let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. See you.